In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export and use an external application to see Blender's Eevee Bloom Glow. I have applied an emission shader to the default cube, and my render engine is set to Eevee with bloom turned on. If we were to mix background image with Photoshop or Krita, then we would need to set Blender scene's background to transparent. We have a transparent background with a visible glow, but would this show up in external image editing applications as is? This is the material for the default cube. The problem is, this glow will never show up in an exported PNG image file, no matter what we do in Blender. Eevee's bloom glow somehow disappears if we save the image as transparent background PNG. This issue occurs in all other image editing applications. To fix this issue, we must turn off the transparency setting, and use a black background like this. We must render the scene like this, and export it as PNG to image editing applications. If we change the blend mode, then we can finally see the background image, and also keep the glow. It can be any of these 5 blend modes. This is how we properly export and use Blender's Eevee Bloom Glow. Please duplicate this image layer to get much stronger glow effects. The same rule applies to Krita. I'll use color dodge. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.